Benton County Health Department, and I'm here to show you how to make some easy overnight oatmeal for breakfast in the morning to get the kids started off to school. And we're just going to use the WIC oatmeal and as well as the WIC approved milk and the WIC approved vanilla flavored yogurt this morning. So I'm just going to start measuring off stuff, and we're going to make sure that we get up to the amount that we need. And so there is 2/3 cup of the oats, and then we're going to add, let's see, we're going to put my oats in there, and I'm going to use the moo cup for measuring my milk, which is going to be 2/3 cup of milk, and we're going to get that in there. There's 2/3, it's just a little bit above the halfway cup. And then I'm also going to add some yogurt to it. The yogurt is going to be 3/4, so it's going to be just before the, oops, a little bit more, just before the 1 cup mark. So our yogurt's come up to there, that's about 3/4. We're going to add that in there. Today we're not going to add peanut butter in it because we don't want to have any food allergens with people who are allergic to nuts or peanuts. And then we're going to just stir this together. Let me see if I can move the header where you can see this. And if you want it to, you could always add a little bit of cinnamon to it to give it a little bit more of a flavor to it, but sometimes the little kiddos don't care for that. Once we got it mixed up a little bit, we're going to add some banana to it. Let me get this all cut up here. And we're just going to go like that. And we got the banana added into it, so that'll also give it a natural sweetener to our oatmeal, especially with, you know, staying overnight. And in the morning, you can add fresh blueberries or fresh strawberries. Both of them are not in season, so it's hard to come by anything that really tastes good. And I'm going to put the lid on this, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. I just want to go over the nutritional servings for this. This makes three servings, and it's per serving it's 213 calories with 9 grams of protein. So that's pretty good on the protein, along with 33 grams of carbohydrates and 91 milligrams of sodium. So I mean it's lower in sodium than some other options out there, as well as 3 grams of fiber, which makes it pretty good for you. Thanks again, bye.